Evening, guys. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, April the 29th, 2024. Almost end of the month. We have here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. Two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle, the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. Not all. Too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, in the afternoon, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles, so that's a lot. Alright, 3 Stars Sudoku, number 8448. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 29 printed digits. Should be a 0 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, usually 25, so this one has 4 digits more. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, maybe 13 minutes. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Well, question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? Well, how about, there's a lot of 8s. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row now, need to place level 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Need 8 here, need 8 in this row, first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only to place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then need 8 here, and I need an 8 here. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. How about the 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row? So in the third row, though, need to place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. The 1 in this row, first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, only place level 1 should be here. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 2 should be there. 3 to 5. Okay. 2. Here. Need a 5 here. Need a 7 here. Need a 6 here. 1, need a 1 here, need a 1 there. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 1. We have 1 in this column, so no 1 there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places level 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Need a 5 here. That means here should be the 5. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 5. Here can be 5. We have 5 in this row. No 5 there. Here can be 5. We have 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this column should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 9 goes there. Need a 3, need a 5, need a 6 here. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, only 2 places level 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. About the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these two boxes. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4, 4. Well, 9, 9. 9, 9. Need a 9 here. And I need a 5 here. 9 and a 5. That means here 2 and 6 are missing. Yes. Well, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 in the last column could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the third row, so no 9 in these two boxes. So 9 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. 1 box left now in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2, cannot continue with the 2. Then 5, 5, 5, 5, and the 3. Then let me see. Need a 7 here. And I need a 9, need a 3. 7, 9, 3, and the 4 is missing here. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4 here. Alright. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the fifth column. Only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. Well. Okay. All right. 4, 4. 4, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column, first column. One of the missing number in the first column is number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here or there. Here or there. We see our 5, another 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Need a 5 here, need a 5 there. Okay. And now, need a 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 9, 7, 3, 9, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 7 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 7. Well, in this column, 4 missing numbers. In the first column, one of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. So the 7 in the first column could be here or there. Here or there. You see another 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 in the first column should be there. Need only the 7 here. Okay. Cannot continue with the 7 now. How about? The 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. Oh. 3, 6, and the 5. Need a 5 there. 3 and a 5. Come on. 9 and the 6. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. Need a 6 here. Alright. Need a 6 there. Yeah, 6 in this column. Third column. 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 3 and the 9 are missing here. 3 and the 9. Okay. And now 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the last row. 6 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 9 and a 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. 5, 5. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have 5 in the middle column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 9 and the 5, we have 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing here. Alright. 4 the 9, we have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 4 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes in there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 and 9 is missing, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. And the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7 and the 9, we have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm not faster than 14 or 13 minutes. So let me give this a 0 stars. No, 1 star. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.